Example, solve the triangle. Solve triangle TUV, where U is equal to 4.5 meters, V is equal to 6.1 meters, and angle T is equal to 108 degrees. Round all sides to the nearest tenth and angles to the nearest degree. So just a reminder, when you're asked to solve a triangle, it means we need to find all the sides and all the angles. Now, since we don't have a diagram, the first thing we should do is to draw our triangle. I'm going to label it as well. We have T, U, and V. Next, I'm going to set up my information box so that I can organize the information. Angle T is 108. I'm going to put 108 in the diagram as well. Little t is not given. Capital U is not given. Little u, we were told it's 4.5 meters. So the side across from angle U. And capital V, we don't have. Little v is 6.1. And this is the side across from our angle V. Now, since we have a side angle side sandwich, we know that we have to use cosine law first to help us find side t. Our cosine equation with the variables that we have would be t squared is equal to u squared plus v squared minus 2uv cosine t. Let's substitute the values in. T squared is equal to 4.5 squared plus 6.2 squared minus 2 times 4.5 times 6.1 times cosine 108. Now, the next part, let's simplify it. We have t squared is equal to 20.25 plus 37.21 minus 54.9 times cosine 108. I'm going to collect my like terms now. So we have t squared is equal to 57.46 minus 54.9 times cosine 108. Now that came out a little bit fast, but to undo our t squared, we are going to throw on the square root. Now when we put that into our calculator, we get t is equal to 8.6 meters. I'm going to put 8.6 meters into my triangle so that I can see all the information I have so far. Now with t, I have one complete side angle pair. And we can use sine law now to find another one. I'm going to look for angle U using our sine law. So sine t over t is equal to sine u over u. Let's substitute our values in. So sine 108 divided by 8.6 is equal to sine u over 4.5. Now let's cross multiply. We have 4.5 times sine 108 equals 8.6 times sine u. 4.5 sine 108 divided by 8.6 is equal to sine u. I noticed that in the PowerPoint I just wrote 8.5. Please ignore that and assume it was an 8.6. So let's undo the sine by taking the inverse of all of that, and we get angle u. U is equal to 30 degrees. I'm going to put that into the diagram as well. Now finally, angle V, we could do sine law again, but it would be easier just to subtract the angles T and U from 180. So we have V is equal to 180 minus 108 minus 30 degrees, and that gives us 42 degrees.